Hi guys, this is a video from Crypto Data. In today's episode, I will explain you a little bit more about the functionalities of the key one. Let's take the regular phone calls. Let's take the phone app and I will explain you how it works. Basically, on a normal phone, on the normal smartphone, on a normal device, you have a contacts and phone app. A normal. Okay, I have a contact, John, with a phone number, with an email and everything. With the key one though, it's a little bit different because we have two types of contacts. We have the regular number contacts, as you know them by now, and we have the blockchain contacts. This means the regular app is split into the phone book, the contacts agenda is split into regular and blockchain. Basically, if I click on the left side, I have the normal contact. If I click on the right side, I have the blockchain ones. Let's put it this way. Let's add a friend of mine. I just add a new contact. It's called, let's say, test. I have a normal number. It's test, a regular, a friend of mine. Most likely you know all these things. But if I switch to the right side, I have the blockchain contact. Let's add a blockchain contact as well. I will add Ovidium 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's a previously created user. The catch is like this. It's Ovidium 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the, let's say, short character encryption of the blockchain ID. But where? It's at WISP. It's not an email. Do not try at wisp.com. That's something. No, it's not that dot. WISP is the blockchain, voice over blockchain communication protocol. WISP is the graphical user interface for our voice over blockchain protocol. This means Ovidium12345 is the user ID at WISP, voice over blockchain protocol. Now I want to add it to the contact. I create a new contact and it's called Ovidium test. Right now, you see in a contact I only have test, correct, because test is a regular phone number. But if I go back and I check the voice over blockchain contact, I also have only one contact, and that's Ovidium test, because Ovidium test is not a normal contact and test is not a voice over blockchain contact. So basically, we're speaking about a voice over blockchain phone book agenda. We're speaking about a normal smartphone agenda. There's two types in the same time. What can I do more? I can call a friend of mine. That's normal. I can set up a business card. Let's do so. I set up my profile, for example. To set up my profile, my public card, this is Ovidiu Toma. The email address, ovidiu@test.com. The identity, my identity is Ovidiu 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Organization is WISP, the voice over blockchain protocol. I update it. As soon as I update my public card, this is my business card, I can show it to somebody else. Now I have test and Ovidiu. I have two contacts, one voice over blockchain, one normal. For the normal one, I won't insist too much because it's crystal clear how it works. To send a message, to call a normal person over a normal mobile phone operator. Though for the voice over blockchain, it's a little bit different. I can call, send messages, or send media over blockchain. How do I do that? Simply, I have to go to WISP. WISP, as I previously said, is the voice over blockchain user interface. Blockchain usually is a code. Okay? Voice over blockchain user interface looks like an app. It's an app on our K1. Nobody else can have it, nobody else can download it. It's not a downloadable app or a compatible app on a third-party device. It's only on the K1. Only the K1 having the private key connected can access the voice over blockchain protocol. Let's go to WISP. I am asked for permissions. First of all, I have to log in to my ID. If I don't have a private key connected, the device won't work. if I have the private key connected that I previously configured, I can connect. One of the IDs I created before was video 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Organization, as I previously said, is WISP. I try to log in. Now I am asked for the password I previously defined in the vault. When I created the identity, I had to define a password in a vault. That is the password I need to use with a private key as well to access my voice over blockchain identity. The device will register on blockchain. Registration complete. Now, let's suppose I want to talk to one of my friends. For example, now I'm connected with Ovidio 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I want to talk to, let's add a new contact, for example, Ovidio, it was test Ovidio as far as I remember, at WISP, add the contact, test live. So, now that I just added my other device, let's see how we contact the device. I have to go to WISP, to the interface of the voice over blockchain. I go to plus, and guess what? I have one contact in the agenda, and this contact is on over blockchain. So I can type testing. In the same room, I have the other device that most likely will reply me if it gets the message. So, who is the recipient of this conversation? It's Ovidio test and test Ovidio 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the two persons in this call, in this conversation. I can, for example, send a multimedia. I can send a picture. Test received. I can send a picture to the other device. I can send a image, audio, video file. So everything works as the user interface is friendly. The user interface is as you most likely are already used in the past years with some other apps. The thing is how the device connects to another. Rather than going to a centralized server, rather than going to a third-party company, it goes in a blockchain, and from the blockchain it goes to the other device. The principle, the simplified principle of the voice of a blockchain. Let's try to call another device. If I try to call the other device, I can do it. I'm calling the other device, I can do it as a video call or as a regular call. Super. So, WISP, to recap. WISP is the voice over blockchain app, is the voice over blockchain graphical user interface where you can contact others over blockchain. Sending files, initiating calls, sending messaging, or initiating video calls. All of them is possible. The Contacts app is split in two sides. The regular ones over regular carrier, over regular cell GSM, or the voice over blockchain side. With some other cool features of security, I will let you explore here all of them. This is all for the moment. Thanks for watching this episode. Cheers.